For more videos, subscribe to RK Math. Next one, to find the sum of first n positive integers is Sn is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. This is the very important formula. For example, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus and so on plus 100. So this is n is equal to 100. Number of terms 100, n positive integers. So Sn is equal to, that means S100 is equal to, n means 100 into 100 plus 1 by 2. 2 1s are 250 times. This is 101. 50 into 101. This is equal to 50 50. Three terms in AP are generally taken as A minus D, A plus D. Suppose 5 terms in AP are generally taken as A minus 2D, A minus D, A plus D, A plus 2D. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 terms. This is 3 terms means A minus D, A plus D. 4 terms in AP are generally taken as A minus 3D, A minus D, A plus D, A plus 3D. 4 terms. A minus 3D, A minus D, A plus D, A plus 3D. Arithmetic mean. It is denoted as AM, arithmetic mean. This definition, if A, capital A, small b, small a, capital A, small b are in AP, then capital A is called the arithmetic mean between A and B. Here AB are 2 numbers. Between them capital A is there. Capital A is called the arithmetic mean between A and B. We write as AM. Arithmetic mean is write as AM. We are going to find the arithmetic mean between 2 given numbers A and B. Find the AM between 2 given numbers A and B. Let suppose capital A be AM between small a and small b. B, small a, capital A, small b are in AP. That means common difference are equal. T2 minus T1, A minus A is equal to B minus A. That implies minus A, take it as this side, 2A is equal to, this is A plus B. A is equal to A plus B by 2. So arithmetic mean between two numbers is equal to half of their sum. Arithmetic mean between two numbers is equal to half their sum. One example, insert 6 AMs between 3 and 24. Solution. Suppose we are taking as 6 AMs. We are inserting 6 AMs between these two numbers 3 and 24. Let A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6 be 6 AMs between 3 and 24. That means 3, 24. Between the 6 AMs we are writing A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6, next to 24 are in AP. Just now I said small a, small b. Between capital A is AM. We are inserting capital A between A and B. Then A, B are in AP. Like that 3, A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6, A24 are in AP. Now this is first term, second term, third term, fourth term, fifth term, sixth term, seventh term, eighth term. That means this is a T8. T8 is how much? 24. 24 is equal to T8. T8 means this is A plus N minus 1 into D. A means first term. 3 plus N minus 1. N minus 1 means 8 minus 1. 7D. This is equal to, that implies 7D is equal to 3 transpose to this side, 24 minus 3, this is 21. That implies D is equal to 3. Next, A1 is equal to, A1 means this is the second term, T2. T2 means 3 plus 1 into D. That implies 3 plus 3, that is equal to 6. A1 is equal to 6. Now A2 is equal to, A2 means the third term, T3 is equal to 3 plus 2D, 3 plus 2 into 3, 6 plus 3, this is 9. A3 is equal to T4, fourth term, 3 plus 3D, that implies 3 plus 3 into 3, 9 plus 3, 12. A4, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, fifth term, T5. This is 3 plus 4D, 3 plus 4 into 3, 3 plus 12, this is 15. A5, this is T6, 3 plus 5D, 3 plus 5 into 3, this is equal to 5 3s are 15 plus 3, 18. Next, A6, this is a T7, 3 plus 6D, 3 plus 6 into D means 3, 6 3s are 18 plus 3, 21. Now, 6 AM between 3 and 24 are, what are the numbers? 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. 15, 18, 21.